Hey all, hope you're doing well. So today I'm here with another video recipe that's instant Ottada with chicken Varattiyathu, that's chicken masala. Now I know this is a very common dish in Kerala. It is also called as muttapathil. So let's get started. Here in the bowl I added 1 cup of wheat flour and the equal proportion added 1 cup of hot water. Now this water was hot boiling water. So add it and mix it well. Keep adding little at a time and make a smooth paste out of it. Usually muttapathil or Utada is made with maida or all-purpose flour, but here I'm making with wheat flour. Now there are many recipes out there showing how to make wheat Ottada. So I usually make it for the breakfast as it's easy. Now this is very simple. What you have to do is the prepared mixture you have to add it to the mixer grinder. So next we are going to add is 4 tablespoons of rice, that's cooked rice, leftover rice. Now the third ingredient is egg. Just have to add 1 egg and that's it. Add a little bit of salt. You can even check the salt level after grinding it. So after grinding it, we have got this smooth running batter. This is the exact consistency. Now this is completely optional. If you want, you can add just a pinch of bicarbonate of soda. So that's baking soda. Now if you want, you can simply avoid it. Next what you have to do is you have to just rest this batter for around 15 to 20 minutes. Moving on to the preparation of chicken Varattiyathu. Here I have took around 1 kg of chicken. Washed and drained the water completely. So into it I'll be adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and around 1 tablespoon of green chillies crushed. Add salt. So this is the marination process. So adding 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/2 teaspoon of jeera powder, that's cumin powder. Also added around 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Finally here goes the garam masala. You can add around 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. Next we are going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix them all well and next we are going to add half a lemon juice. Now this is optional. If you want, you can add around half a lid of vinegar, white vinegar, and few curry leaves. Mix it well. Earlier I forgot to add the crushed shallots, so adding it now. Mix it well. Now keep it for around half an hour or 1, the longer be better. I was in a hurry, so just started making them. So in a pan added 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Let it get sauteed well. Add 2 to 3 green chillies slitted and few curry leaves. Mix them well. Now here I am adding around 2 medium-sized onions thinly sliced and let them get sauteed well. As soon as the onion turns golden brown, you can add the tomatoes. Here I have took 2 small-sized tomatoes chopped. Mix it well and let it cook till it gets mushy. Now next we are adding handful of coriander and mint leaves chopped. Add it and mix it well. Add a little bit of salt to make the cooking process quick. If you want, you can avoid the masalas in this step, but I simply added, just add each of the masalas half a teaspoon. That's red chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder for around 1/4 teaspoon and jeera powder, that's cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon and little bit of pepper powder too. Sprinkle a little bit of garam masala too. So our masala is ready now. So here goes the chicken into the masala. Now we all know we can never leave a single bit or a drop of masala, so add a little bit of water. We are reducing the masala now, so you can just add 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil on the top and a little bit of meat masala. This was around half a teaspoon. If you want, this is just like a taste enhancer. So by the time our chicken varattiyathu is cooking, we'll move on to the Utada making. So make sure the chatti, that's the earthen pot, is hot enough and pour around 1 ladle spoon of batter and cover it with a lid. Let it cook for around a minute, and here's the chicken varattiyathu almost done. So as you can see, the Utada is done now. It's completely cooked now. So this is a very simple, quick and instant recipe you can all try out. Now about this earthen pot, that's the chatti. This was bought from Pendalmanna, Kerala, when we went for the vacation. So this costed me around 140 to 150 rupees, I guess. I don't remember, but I remember the price of the lid. It was 80 rupees. So hope you all like the recipe. Now an important note that the first Utada will take time to come out, but then it will be nicely done for the rest. Now again, I know many of you might be expert in these dishes, so hope you all like the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.